Okay, and first of all, an apology for all people who have been getting a lot of notifications of me starting streams. Was kind of a difficult one, my first stream, because it did not want to work out at all. So I'll stop working on this and I'll start working on Gozen for the rest of the stream. I just feel like streaming today, so that's what I'll do. I should probably. So I was having an issue if I open things like this. IntelliSense for some reason does not want to work. The moment that it has this squiggly line, yeah, problems happened, and it was not fun. Okay, so cd storage programming. Let's go to the Gozen folder, and let's open code in here. Okay. So now IntelliSense should be working. So we have all the stuff. First of all, I want to clean up a little bit. I'll just be working on Gozen. I'm in the chat, so I'll be reading the chat every now and then. So if you want to talk to me, talk. Let's share my screen, because I often forget to do that. These file types, I'll remove these, and I'll be working a little bit. And yeah. Last stream I tried really hard to make it work, but IntelliSense did not want to work, and it became not that fun of a stream towards back, I think. So I have privated it now, and yeah. So hello again for the people who are joining. Sorry about all the notifications. I should probably also share this on Discord, so let's quickly go here. How can I get the link? Okay, let's go to analytics, quickly open Discord. Let's send a quick message. Live at. Okay, and I can share my screen again. Oh, oops. And voila. First of all, types. Let's remove all these file things. That's from my earlier experimentations. Perfect time. Hey, welcome. Be glad that you didn't join the last stream, or like the first stream of today. It was, I basically struggled with C++. IntelliSense did not want to work, and trying to do any type of work with C++ without IntelliSense, it's a nightmare. Oh well. Let's switch phones. This phone is at 22%. This phone is at 15%. So yeah, I can switch to keep the chat open. Also, quick new little thing that I was able to do. Let's quickly hide this, because I probably don't want people to see that kind of data. Because I installed my PC again, because I'm using, I finally have a new SSD thanks to my Kohi supporters. I was finally able to make it work. Oh, hey Zach. Hisashiburi, been a long time. So yeah, something I've been able to do whilst I installed Linux again was very troublesome, by the way. I got this new desk, I have a small little table. I have not showed any pictures yet because I'm planning on doing a video. But I was able to finally get something working for live streaming, and not that people will use it, but normally this should work, and I should probably put on my headphones so I can actually hear it. So if I press this, normally this should put a test, and normally you should see it.
New donation from someone. Coffee limes with no fee.
Why did that sound? Why did that sound Japanese? Is it because my system is mainly Japanese?
New donation from someone. I like turtles.
I should probably change that. Why? Wait, what if I type something in Japanese? Oh, oops. Konnichiwa. Ah. Okay, so let's see if this works. That did not work. Yeah, Japanese text to speech. I should probably change that. I'll look for it later. Let's start coding. I've been wasting enough time today trying to look up all this IntelliSense stuff. So yeah, that video is hidden. Oh, whoops! I should probably hide that. Yeah, save it. I don't think there's any information that you are not allowed to see in here. So we have 3 people watching. That's probably my phone, Gigi, and Zach. So yeah, it has been some time since I worked on C++. I tried to do the GD extension a little bit before, a couple days ago. Whilst I ran into the problem, but I quickly gave up, and yeah, I have not really worked on it since then. So we have the importer, we have the interface. This interface I think I'll probably completely delete. I still need this for getting the codecs, but I think I will probably like right now I have the render profile, and the only place that this needs to be used is inside of the render profile. So let's just copy and paste that inside of the render profile. It's a public enum codec. What else is inside of the interface? That should not be here. Also register types. Oh, whoops. C++. Let's also delete from here. Interface. Okay, so we can start deleting this. Get AV codec version. Get AV codec license. I think this was all for. Yeah, let's just delete this. I don't. Oh wait, yeah, we need this. We need this. Binding the enums. If you have any questions, by the way, about what I'm doing, or like if any of this is like too confusing, or you really want to learn more for some reason, please let me know. This is here, so that probably also needs to be somewhere in here. The declaration. Eh? Good. Oh yeah, no, this is an inline. Okay. A lot of codec stuff. Okay, normally arrows should be gone. Goes on interface, nope. Goes on render profile. Oh, it's so nice when IntelliSense works. Okay, yeah, this can be deleted. In here, I will check one thing. So I got AV codec version. Nope. I'm not certain if this will be needed in the future, but it's in the history. I can check it again. I'll just do the, make this into a commit that I delete cause an interface. This was mainly all for debug information, but I don't see myself using it anytime soon. So yeah. I should probably use this information at some point. Let's look at the codec stuff to make certain that we don't do too many things away. Okay, let's get this one. To get the supported codecs. New file. Oops. Let's put this in here. This one does not need it. This one will also need this. Okay. And let's just make everything non-inline anymore. But this should probably be a static. Right? There's still issues. How? Cannot open goals and interface. Why? Why would you need to want to open goals and... Is there still... Oh, wait. Oopsie. Okay, this one. This includes. Okay, so this should work now. Yes. So that's a static to get all the supported codecs. Set file name. Does C++ have something similar to regions? Pragma region one? No. Yeah, no. Let's not bother with that. Yeah, Japanese text to speech. I should really delete that or like change that. Oh, whoops. Oops. Oh well. Let's just do it like this. Okay, so yeah, all of these, I don't think I need to change anything to these. On oh, one has an error. Oh yeah, and over here, let's remove all the inlines. Okay, error's gone. Okay, so that one is correct. Is codec support? That would also be a nice one to have in the render profile. Oh wait. Why don't I have check inside of? Oh. So we have check. And we have is codec supported. And this should also probably be a static as well, so C++ looks so complicated. Sorry, I didn't. I wasn't paying attention. C++ looks so complicated. I don't know how you do it. I do it with a lot of frustration. Yeah, I try C++ once and can't understand a thing. Honestly, it's easier than you might think. And that may sound very strange, but I don't actually think it's that complicated. Wait, no, there was a reason why I had these. Because they return an AV codec ID, and that does not work inside of Godot. So these are rendered out. Oh, yeah, no, that should be fine. Yeah, it's not one of the. It's not a very easy language, but it's also not too difficult. So these are the static methods, so I think I need to have a bind static method, okay. And for this I will have to go to declaration, to the definition, because I have no idea what is needed. So let's copy this. Let's paste it here. String, the class name. Let's use a string name, so goes in, render profile. The method name, and that's an N. What is an N? Class N. Method name. Should that be a string or should that be the methods? It just says method name, so I think this will be sufficient. Oh, wait. And this is going to be SQL exported. So that's method name. Then we have wait, that is normally a tests file. Let's just look at the example. Control bind methods. Yes, where is the bind methods? Static. Okay, normally there was a test file. I feel like there was a test file. Over here, okay. So we have, let's just copy this. So I have an example to look at. And that's what I mean with the whole GD extension thing being kind of confusing. First of all, it's C++. Second of all, you have all this to work with. So it's codec supported, and over here we have the variable of a with name codec, and codec is, I think I can do this, then p method name. Also just nope. Goes in, run the profile, and then is codec supported. Get supported codecs. And this should work. Hopefully. But it has bind static methods. So we have a method definition, we have a poll. What happened to the live stream chat? That it suddenly disappeared on my phone. Oh wait. Zorepidemo. Eh? Zorepidemu? Ah, well, welcome to welcome to the stream, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm not certain how much you can learn from the stream, and I just noticed something. Apparently, the image did not update, so let's quickly change this. It's over to okay. I just needed to be another image. Nope. Okay, let's quickly open GIMP. Let's normally my PC is in Japanese, but because I was installing everything, I changed it back to English. So now it's kind of searching. I'm also using a new file manager. So put this in here. Let's export it as a JPG. Let's call it temp. Quality 70. Up, and voila. Normally that should work. Okay, so people don't see the wrong thumbnail. I don't feel like making a special thumbnail for just me programming. So, Zoropidemu, are you Japanese or are you just using hiragana as your name? I have not talked in Japanese in today's stream yet. That's that's strange. So we don't need this one anymore. This one is working now. Get video file meta. That's something we will also need. So let's also copy this, and then this one can go bye-bye. Delete. And let's also put that as a static. Gone with this. Voila. Get support codecs. One big thing that I don't like about C++ is how to me it feels very unorganized. I don't like how it works. Oh, and we also need to include dictionaries. So dictionaries? It's a variant, okay. Dictionary. Okay, and normally that should work. This should be goes in render profile. Okay, and that works. So that's a little bit of cleaning up done. And the importer, that is, let's remove the comments for now. I should not comment too many things that are not needed at this point. We have the variants, we have the classes. This is what I've been struggling with. So far I've only been testing with 10-second videos, and yes, I saw that RAM usage went up, but it never went up by that much. But the moment that you work with 1-minute files or 10-minute files, then you have a problem, right? Because right now I actually used ffmpeg documentation. This is basically what I base myself off, the demux decode section. So I've been going through this, figuring out how to actually like work with the files and such. But this script exports everything. Oh, if I can find it. Well, it has a destination file. Destination file name. So it saves all pictures to a specific folder, which is not great, because that's not very good for your hard drive if you do a lot of stuff. So if writes, yeah. So it basically writes everything to a raw image. So yeah. That's not great because then it takes up way too much storage space, which is not good for your hard drive or your SSD if you have to do that with 10,000 millions of frames. So yeah, I knew that it was going to be a problem to put everything into memory, because what I'm basically doing in here, in the importer, is I copy everything into memory. So yeah, we open the codec, file stream information, open codec. Let's quickly see. So that's get container data. Nope. Decode packet. I think over here. Oh no. Output video frame. Okay. So over here, I basically write everything to an array, which puts everything into memory, and that's not a good thing. Because I suddenly noticed that I was having 40 gigabytes of RAM being taken up just by a 1-minute video. Again, not great, so this whole thing needs reworking again. I'm not looking forward to that part, but it's needed, so. Basically, we need to dynamically load each frame depending on... Why is this not working? Depending on what point in the video we're at. So, decode video. I don't think they have any examples of quickly loading each frame depending on like which frame you want. It's not like you can enter the number and say like, okay, I want this frame from the video. I have not come across that, so. Read from an MPEG file, decode frames, and generate PGM images. Again, generate those images as output. That's not what we want. For like short videos, no problem, but Max. No. How about 3 Max? Nope. Decode video. Read from an app, decode frames and generate PGM images. Same like the demux decodes. Write the output as raw audio and input files to be played by ffmpeg. Again, this copy decoded frame to destination buffer. This requires since raw video expects non-aligned data. But again, this do. Yeah, I'm Japanese, but I understand speaking in English, especially technical topics. Do you live in Japan? Yes, I've been living in Japan for next month. It will be 4 years. Yeah, I'm enjoying living in Japan. Food is good. Weather mostly fine. Natural disasters a little bit less great, but yeah, like in Belgium you have terrorists, so natural disasters, terrorists, bad governments. Yeah. I kind of prefer living in Japan for now, but who knows about the future. Still studying Japanese though. Mada marijosu janai. I'll quickly get a USB cable because my PC, my phone is almost empty. Okay. Nope. Let's do it like this. Oh, no. Just charge my phone. No opening files. Okay. Yeah, now it's covering my screen a little bit. Decode packet. I'll need to find a dynamic way of getting all the files. I have been looking at all projects, but problem with video editors is they're quite large projects, so it's not very easy to go through their files. What is a QSV? Why is the decoded frames to an output file again? No, that's for filtering. How can I... put an output file? Nope. So yeah, that's something that I will really have to look at other video editors, how they do it to dynamically load everything, because the documentation that they have does not really say that. I know I'll probably have to open the file multiple times for demuxing, but well, maybe decoding only if I have the file open. But then I still need a way to get like... I think I got a solution. Wait, why did I have this one here again? Oh no, importer.hpp. Okay, so wait, I'm counting the video frames for some reason, but I forgot about why. So let's just remove this for now, because apparently I don't even need it. Normally this will give an error. Yes, it does. Let's remove this. I think keeping the audio inside of memory won't be that big of an issue. It's the video frames. The video frames should be... Actually, how much would this take if I would... Let's copy this all out, and let's comment this all out. Let's first see if it still compiles now, because... oops. Build the extensions. Let's compile with 6. Let's see if I'm not too high CPU usage. Okay. Now let's hope I didn't delete the test room yet, because I may have done that at some point. Oh no. Please don't tell me this is the edit. Oh no, I deleted it already. Well, let's just quickly go to let's go to an autoload, let's go to settings manager, and let's just do the testing inside of here. So we need a Gozen importer. What am I working on again? Importer, yes. Importer dots get container data. No. Oh yeah, get container data, because that's gives me the things. What does this need? a file name. So let's quickly look for the file. Videos. Let's take this one. That's a 590 gigabyte file. Nope, no, not going to do that. Whoops. Let's quickly look at my. Okay, from here people can see it again. So let's just take a tiny file that's not too heavy. Oh wait, did I look correctly? No. But oh. Oh no. Did I just delete a file? I think I did. Oops. Trash. No, restart. Oops. Okay. And that's back. Why don't I see any... I'm using Nemo. I normally use Dolphin. I cannot find any information about this file, like how long it is. So will I really need to open this? Oh! Yeah, that was not a good idea. Technical difficulties. I've developed an app with ffmpeg, and it's Rust wrapper. It's not easy to understand for me. Right in C++ API is more difficult, right? Of what I've seen about Rust, I think you probably had a much better time than I am having with C++. Yeah, what kind of application did you make with ffmpeg? Something that dynamically loads fetal data? Because that will be very, very welcome information. Okay, so this is 21 seconds. I kind of need a shorter one. I think that's... is there like any... 9 seconds. Okay, let's take this one. How can I copy the paths? Why? How? Okay, I'm installing Dolphin again. I don't like Nemo. Can I like not see the full path? Click on file names twice to rename it. Yes, that should be on by default. Open each folder in its own window. Nope. Always start in dual pane view. Why would you want that? Toolbar. Context menus. It should be in here. To like get the path. Why is this such a difficult thing? Properties, the full path isn't there. So I have to go to I cannot just type in here. It's not the full path, but it's close enough. Okay. And voila. So this will get the container data var dict. I think this returns a it returns a dictionary. So okay, so let's see how long this takes to start. I forgot this project has a lot of issues. Return resolution. Yeah, that's not going to work right now. So wait, region startup. Why is this? So signals working. Why is this one not working? Region startup. And region, okay. Voila, input handler, we don't need. Project title, project path, resolution. Okay, so generals and modes, no. Config, set value. Oh, whoops. I switched to the config system in Godot out of ease of use. And I still have not converted some of the other things, so I should probably get to that. General. General? Did I? Yeah, it's under general, okay. I put everything under general for now, so... Let's also put this on here. Oh, hey! That's been some time. Welcome to the stream. How have you been? Yes, working from my fresh system install. Thanks to... Oh, did it work? Yeah, thanks to my Ko-fi supporters, I was able to afford myself a new SSD, so I finally have enough space to actually install things without installing every single thing. Just woke up. Okay, I know in what time zone you live. I don't think I should say it on stream, but how do you wake up at this kind of a time? Did you stay up until like early morning again? Just released get resolution. Did I misspell something again? Get. Oh. Wow, how did I not see that? And why is everything resolution? How did I not notice that? And let's just make this into set. Yeah, I overslept. Oh, well, lucky you start watching now, because my first stream of today did not go well. Basically, there's this issue with VS Code. IntelliSense does not want to work if you don't open the folder correctly. Like, you see this squiggly line in front of storage? That was causing so much problems with IntelliSense that IntelliSense just did not want to work. I remember having that before and I completely forgot about it. I don't know why it actually happens. Yeah. So set resolution. Get resolution meta, because we also need this. So the settings menu is completely working. Project manager I have not been able to like work on because of the whole ffmpeg stuff that I've been trying to figure out, and with tomorrow being my birthday as well, I won't be able to work much as well. Like I like spending time with family and such, but yeah, sometimes I would just want to sit down and get work done. So this is a type of vector to I don't think I have implemented that yet inside of the... I'm not using external editor, so I can't help. Yeah, the external editor, I would not recommend. I will not recommend working on GD extensions. If you really don't need to, don't bother. It's way too troublesome. So yeah, what am I looking at again? Uh-oh. Just a moment. I don't need to for now. Well, in general, working with the extensions, it's if you know how it works, like how to assign static things, like let's look at render profile. So enums, you need to bind them as a bind enum constant. And after that, you also need to add this piece of code. If you want to add properties, you have to do this kind of a thing. If you want to add a method, it's this kind of a thing. If you want to add a static method, you have to do this kind of a thing. So yeah, it's rather complicated, but once you get the hang of it, it's not that complicated. It's still a lot of work. I'll quickly check if my kid is still asleep. Yeah, still sleeping like a baby. Literally. So I think I'm sharing my screen again. Yeah. Let's try to become a better streamer and check every now and then if I'm actually sharing my screen or not. So yeah, what have I done? I removed the interface. I've remade the render profile, and now I want to test. I should probably not do this for now. The settings menu for the implementing the vector 2. I'll probably need some more variables. Yeah, I saw a tutorial on that, and it is still a pain in the ass. It's complicated, but it can be worse. So yeah, set resolution, get resolution meta. This is a float. I have implemented floats already. So let's quickly. What did I do in here? Oh yeah, no. Okay. Okay, int. Okay, so type int. This is all metadata for the settings menu. So this is going to be a type of floats. Default value should be 30. Default value of here should be a vector 2i, and let's just put it on 1080p for now. I'll figure that out later. So what you have done, what have you done today during this stream? Well, during the previous stream, I tried to create a tutorial for the renderer. Because IntelliSense was not working, that stream completely went into the water. And during this stream, I've basically been working on Gozen, trying to figure out the whole dynamic loading of frame stuff, which, surprise, surprise, ffmpeg does not have any clear documentation about on how to load specific frames. So that will be a very fun thing to figure out. I keep hearing my kid somehow. I think he's hitting the wall again while sleeping. Oh well. Yeah, for this for the metadata here I also need, so 0.1 minimum value, maximum value of maximum frames per second. Let's put that on 240 for now. Ah, konbanwa! I'm not certain. You type in Japanese, so now I'm wondering, should I pronounce your name in Japanese or should I pronounce it in English? Hide Matt or Hidemato. Probably in English. Okay, let's first do the resolution. So config sets value. This will be resolution. So I first have to fix these things. Oh. Hidemato wa ii. え？日本人ですか？まあこのストリームは英語だから日本語はあんまり喋られない。喋らない。うん。話せない。話さない。まあ。There are some verbs in Japanese that really trip me over, and it's the moment that you go to the verbs that kind of sound like they're in the like can do, can form. Yeah. Well, I always say that my Japanese isn't great, so proof. Okay, so this set config a new value. Oops. For frame rates, let's just copy this. On frame rates change, and I think that's about it. Passive, potential, and causative. Yeah, they're difficult. I've been studying Japanese now for so long, and this year I really want to put an end to the studying because it's been almost 9 years at this point. I've been studying since 2016. In the beginning I studied quite a lot every single day, and then I got kind of in a burnout because I kept studying for 7 hours, 8 hours a day, and on working days I would study during my lunch breaks and everything, and it was not healthy, but yeah. With my wife being Japanese, I feel like, and especially by living in Japan, I feel like I really need to get a good grasp on Japanese, especially if I want to become like a sign. How will I say? If I want to make myself an actual freelancer of like a job status here in Japan, I will need Japanese. So yeah. Okay. Oh, oops. What did I do? Oh, okay. So this one should be working, and this one should also be working. This, I'll put it to do here. So normally when I start now, there should be an error. Okay, no error, so it's actually working. So let's go back to the settings manager. So on top here, so I still study every day too. How long have you been studying, and why are you studying Japanese? Let's just print okay, and let's just count. I don't feel like this still has all the image textures inside of it. It's not supposed to add any images. Why is it still? I thought I commented out that entire code. So why is it still? Did it? source bin. Oh, whoops. Where did it go? Okay. Okay, so stream may lag right now. Okay, that's fine. But it's not getting the things that bin libcozen is up to date. No, that's not what I'm trying to do right now. It should put everything into the destination. Why is it not working? Wait, does it say that it's being opened? Yeah. Against construct. Oh, wait, eh? I could have sworn that I implemented that. I'm half Japanese. Ah! Naruhodo. I've been studying for a long time too, but not as intensely all the time though. Yeah, I studied very intensively the first couple of years. Then it slowed down. When I moved to Japan the first year, I still studied quite actively. But because of my workplace where we were not allowed to talk at all, yeah. My Japanese, it's only since like this summer that I started studying intensively again. Does the new Godot version handle the GD extension in a better way? Like, can you hot refresh code? Honestly, I know there's the thing that you can add to the GD extension file to this thing. I have not tried it, but as long as I'm not adding any new classes, and yeah, it's not that big of a problem. I feel like it used to be a bigger problem when I was creating new functions the whole time, but yeah. Yeah, it was one of the new features, but I have not. I could try it on stream. Last time it kept crashing the entire editor, so although .org. Let's see. This one? Critical implementation to the GD extension. For the property. Improvement to development log after some initial work was hot for loading. Okay, this one. Yeah, I saw that also, but last version were not working despite the claim. Yeah, I remember having issues with it, so let's test. Oh, oops. Let's quickly restart. I'm getting a lot of errors right now. Oh yeah, no, that's because it's not inside. Now I'm getting the errors because it's not here anymore, the shared library. So I think it's working right now. It looks like it's working, and I have seven people watching right now. That's more than before. Yeah, well, I kind of want to just work. I just felt like streaming. I could have made a video or do some editing for my other channels, but I was not in the mood. These streams helped for my motivation. References? Okay, I will need to go to... I have not logged in on GitHub yet, so... I have deleted something. And I need to find that again. No. Not working, just a returning point. I did... Oh, no. Oh. Okay, so this is part of the code that did not get saved, apparently. I never... Okay, that will be fun. Yeah. I had it worked out that I could give a... Did I just need to like push this or something and that it will appear? Pull. I'm just watching whilst drawing sprites. That all the corrections right now, all the asterisks for your game. Yep. Which software do you use for that? I use LibreSprite. Oh yeah, I think I heard you talk about that before. Why do you use a fork of an old version of Sprite? Like you can get it for free if you build it from the kits. I think that's how it works. I think that's how you can use it for free. Almost Japanese language speakers are native ones, so foreigners should feel more difficult than English when they learn. I feel that they are kind of programmers English community. Every single time when I'm looking up programming things, why is my... Okay. So if I look up, by example, C++ IntelliSense, most of the time all I get are articles in Japanese. And I've learned reading them, but I feel like a lot of, especially Japanese articles about how to do things, they're overly typed. They don't get straight to the point, and that's probably just to fill in the information that it's long, that the article is long enough to put advertisements on it. But it's so annoying. But I'm trying to get more busy with reading Japanese, and that's why I go through all these dumb long articles. Like, it's just a simple thing. It's just show me an example or like what the problem is. Like, this is short. But all the other ones. I tried compiling Sprite at the beginning of this year and failed for some reason. At the beginning of this year, so 7 days. Does I have not installed it on this PC yet, but only 48% translated. Huh. English, Chinese simplified, wow. Japanese, only 1%. Maybe I can help. Add to my list for later. But having this, I will have to... Scones, how get arguments. I hate scones. arguments get. Okay, so destination path. Let's check in this one. Oops. Destination. Let's just make this bin. Format. Destination path. Wait, did I do this inside of? I have like the faint memory that I did this. Did I? I think I really did not save that. Maybe I changed it inside of here. Would surprise me. You know, this has like the older version as well. So, oh no, wait, I have. That was a thing that I did. Ah, well, normally this should also work now, so have a nice lunch. I think before sleeping I'll probably eat again. I made a giant pot of white stew, so let's use 9 cores. Let's see how much my CPU can handle. It can handle more than I thought. So normally I should have the template debug. So okay, it's inside of the bin folder. Okay, hot reloading works. Hot reloading finally works. It takes a little bit of time, but it actually works. So let's see. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it takes about 3 seconds to import the audio of a 9-second file. So don't save. Should I be dumb and try? Should I make a? I gotta go. I have a good time. Matane. So, oh yeah. So for the people who have not seen as well, the editor looks a little bit different right now. I will change this even more, and this red button has to go because apparently this will destruct the art. Everything else has tooltips. This is the project view, still needs work. Normally this should work. It's not. I may remove the border of here, so let's quickly do that. Let's just quick change. Default team module button. Okay, so why is this? Ah, yeah. Okay. So normal should be stylebox empty. Oh, nope, that won't work. So let's just make it completely see-through. Okay, good enough now. So I think this looks a little bit nicer. That's something I've been wanting to do. So you see which one you have selected and which one not. Maybe. And this is how I often get no work done, because I keep messing with these tiny little settings. Yeah, looks good. I think you can very easily see what you pressed on. Yeah, good enough. I should really not spend too much time on this. But yeah, so this takes 3 seconds to import the audio. How long will it take for a longer file? Oh wow. Eh? No, this is... Oh yeah, okay, no, the video file does not exist, that's why, okay. That will probably print an error? Am I doing something wrong? Normally this should take a very long time. That's like a... How many hour video? Oh wait, no, it's only that amount of size. Okay, let's quickly take a bigger video. I thought it was like a very long video. Am I on big screen? Yes. I have a lot of personal names in here, so okay, starting from here is fine. Departure Japan. No. I think this one has some long videos inside of it. 70 megabytes, no. 50. Okay, that's the longest one probably. Okay. I will really need to install Dolphin again. I don't like Nemo or however it's called. Okay. Wait, eh? Native class goes in import not found, and then it's still okay. Okay, so there's still GD extension issues. Okay, so right now there's almost 6 gigabytes is taken, so with that one closed. I'm trying to see right now if, oh whoops, I'm trying to see right now if more memory gets taken or not. But this is not going to work because the dictionary, I should do like this. If the dictionary is inside. Oh, whoopsie! Sorry. Ah, I always think about that. Ne? I always forget about that. So I'm having 8stop open and I'm trying to find out. So I was having the variable dictionary. This I should probably not pronounce that word. YouTube auto subtitles will make something strange again. So this dictionary was inside of here, but the moment that ready function is over, that dictionary gets thrown away. So let's try again. I don't see the memory going up by a lot, so this is strange. This is kind of annoying right now. This is really kind of annoying. So why does it take so long? Apparently the video, the audio does not take any data, but it still takes long. So let's quickly. Let's just do this, and let's see if I'm starting to think that something's wrong with my code that it takes so long. Okay, that's compiled. Yeah, now it's not even writing the audio frames to the file and to memory, and it's still taking so long. Memory does not seem any higher than before, so something in this function, in this importer, is taking up a lot of time. Okay, let's compile again. Okay, let's run again. Normally dictionaries should be empty at this moment. It's still taking a lot of time. No, something is wrong here. It's not supposed to take this much time, so... Hey? Hey. And why did it print check? Okay, so I think the reloadable thing is causing other issues right now. Eh? Oh, wait, no. Okay. I understand. Yeah. No, so that works. Audio, video, subtitles, it's completely empty, but it still takes a long time, even when it does not go through the... How is that possible? How is it possible that... Okay, I'm kind of mind blown right now. Like, why does it still take so long? We were not even outputting the frame, so why does it take so long? This is decode packets. Is it because we're going through this? That will probably be a better way to print OS get static memory. But something is going wrong in here. So we know memory consumption, or like putting everything into memory, is not the issue. I think the only place where the problem can be right now is in this function. I'm doing something wrong in this function, I think. How about I comment everything out? Okay, so something in here is causing issues. Hi. Oh, oops. Oh, whoops. I'm almost certain it's decode packets. Yeah, so we basically don't need these anymore. We know these work. Is it because of the video frames that they still, all the data is still getting sent somehow? Because we already know the, oh whoopsie. We already know that the audio does not take much memory at all. So we can basically, it's safe to say that we can put all audio inside of memory at this point. We'll probably also need some dynamic loading for that. It starts up without any problems. Let's put this one again. Voila, there's a problem. Wait, 6 gigabytes got taken. By this? Oh yeah, no, I'm writing to the file again. Yeah, okay. Yeah, right now I uncommented this, so. Send packet to the decoder. Write frame data to output file. If I would. So even if, yeah, no, this whole import will need to completely be rewritten, because with this we cannot get any specific frame. It's really something I have to look up later, but it's getting kind of late. I'm getting very hungry and it's already almost 10 o'clock here. We don't need this one anymore. Yeah, this will basically be what I'll have to work with for the next couple of weeks, maybe months. Oh well, I think I'll stop the stream for now. So one more time, a big thank you to all the people who have been supporting me on Ko-fi. It's kind of rough seawater right now to try and finish the alpha on time, but I'll try my best and I'll see if it's still possible to release the alpha at beginning of February. If I cannot figure out this whole ffmpeg stuff, I'll probably start working just on the timeline and the other features and have the alpha mainly be about audio and images with texts for the time being. So it will be a video editor without the importing video parts. But at least we will be able to test this way if it actually runs on their PCs, if it runs on Windows, if it runs on Linux, if it runs for everybody who wants to be a tester. And then later on I can started working more on fixing the bugs and making ffmpeg work. So that's the plan for now. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all later. Big thank you again to my Ko-fi subscribers, supporters, donators, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye. I need 2 hands for this shortcut. 3, 2, 1.